Hi everyone, my name is Jörg and I'm visiting the Show Palast München. The Show Palast München is an exclusive event location for unique events. Small and big events are possible there. You can use the Show Palast for indoor and outdoor activities events. And now we will meet Severin and he will show us the Show Palast. Wow, this is so amazing. Look at this huge LED wall. Attending a conference must be a great experience, right?
Yes, absolutely. Everyone who was here, they really loved it. And what they love is it's 600 square meters of LED wall. You enter the show palace and you see, everything you see is just LED wall actually.
But I assume that not only conferences can be held here. What other events do you normally host here?
Thank you for this question, because we have different kind of events here. We already had and we will have. For instance, car presentations, conferences. We also had dinners here on stage. We have an 800 square meter stage and you can have dinners here in a really unique atmosphere with the LED wall. And as you can see, we have 1,700 seats here already. They're perfectly for big conferences, but also for smaller events, like 400 for instance. The stage can host up to 700 people for a dinner. And we have our foyer, the entrance area of the show palace. And we can also have little events with 400 people on there. So actually perfect for 400 to 1,700.
What is the little souvenir you can give us and what is the story behind it?
Well, I have something for you. And as we already spoke about our LED wall back there, I brought you a piece of this LED wall. And it's really funny that one of these little pigs, this is only this small, but we have 4 million of them in this 600 square meter LED wall. And of course this represents us as a show palace, so I want to give it as a gift to you. And Merry Christmas!
Thank you for showing us around. It was a real pleasure. We wish you happy holidays and a Merry Christmas.
To you as well.